Hi guys. Have you ever wondered why your video is not being seen, or when people see your video, they don't click on it, or your video is not being visible, it's not very visible out there for viewers to watch? One of the reasons is your thumbnail. Thumbnail is very significant in making viewers to watch your view, in making people to click, because the first thing is to click and then to watch. If people are unable to click your video, they're not going to watch. So creating a very attractive and good thumbnail is very important and very vital. So you need to learn how to create good thumbnail. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to walk you through on how to create your thumbnail using Canva. So do you see, I want to work on this. I want to show you. Can you see these thumbnails, how they are very nice? You can see popular videos, sing along with me. You go to videos, let me show you the thumbnails. Can you see these thumbnails? Who will see this thumbnail without clicking on them? Who will see them without clicking on them? So this is how your thumbnail need to be. It need to be poppy, it need to be nice, it need to be attractive. So I'm going to carry you guys along. Let me show you how to create a very good thumbnail with simple steps, and how to make it visible, the write-up visible and everything looking attractive for people to click on it. So we go to Canva. We go to Canva. And when you go to Canva, this is the Canva space. This Canva is free. It's free Canva. It's not paid Canva. So I logged in. You can also log in. So you go to Canva and you come here. You can see YouTube thumbnail. Please use this. You use YouTube thumbnail. You click on it, and the working space shows this way. So these are thumbnails, the template of thumbnails. These are styles of thumbnails, but we use templates. So you can see several design. This is Pro, having a crown. If you pick this, you will not be able to download it. You have to pay for it. So avoid anyone that has Pro on it. All right. All these ones has Pro. So these are thumbnails templates are all nice, but you need to use them depending on what you want to create, right? What you want to, the video you made the video you have made will determine what type of thumbnail you are going to use. Let's say you are talking about sadness. Okay, somebody is sad, blah, blah, blah. You cannot use this as sadness, right? Except you're talking of how you cashing out, blah, blah, blah. You use smiley face. So your thumbnail should also represent what you're talking about. When you make a thumbnail, please, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. When you make a thumbnail, it should be representative of what you are talking about. It should not be different from what you're talking about, guys. So, guys, so let's say we want to make a video on income, how to make money online. Let's look for something that was income creators idea. This is good, but it's Pro. So we look for something passive income ideas. This is good. And this is perfect. Let's use this. Okay, so this is our customized background. Now you can work on this. You don't want to take everything that Canva gives you. You want to be creative. You want to make it different from others. So you click on the background and you see this color, background color. You click on the color and try to see how you can change the color to suit you, to suit your audience. Just a click changes everything. You see, I'm changing it already, right? Wow, this is nice. You can also change this color to something of your choice. Let's say we use yellow. This is good. Transform your finance. Let's make it Blue? No, blue is too close to the background color. It's not poppy. So we change it to green. I think green will be better. Yeah. And we try to change this. Walk through it, make it yours, change it, make it interactive. This is your own. So even if YouTube want to flag, they cannot flag you because this is your video. So let's work on this lady. We want to change this lady. This is not you. You want to change the lady, or you want to put yourself to this video. You come here. Let's see if we can get from here. Uh, let's say man, for example. We click and we go to graphics. Okay, we see these guys. If you click on this and delete this page, delete the lady and go like this. Okay, this is actually very good. You're trying to make this to be yours. You're not copying anybody. You took a Canva template, but the video you are making is the thumbnail you're making is your thumbnail. Let's put dollars. Okay, we can see dollars because we are talking about income. So we have to put everything that represents income, and we're working on it. Okay, this is dollar. Okay, there is a dollar here. Yes, this is United States dollar. We'll bring this dollar here. Guys, do you see how I want to increase this a little bit? I like when my thumbnail is very obvious. When it's very obvious, it's poppy. Let's see how let's change the font. You click here. Sorry. You click here, you go to the font up here, and then these are different fonts. Remember, you're looking for a font that is catchy, that is very obvious. If the font is bigger, you come here and you reduce it. Okay. This font is nice, but let's see if we can get something that is nicer. Horizon, that is what we used. Comic. Comic is nice, but I don't like it so much. Looking nice, but I don't like it that much. I need something. You can also come here and make it bold. Yes, this bold is good. So we can increase it. We're talking about income. So let's see how this is. Okay. We'll bring the sign of dollars. You are making this to make it attractive to people the viewers, so that when they see it, they have to click. Is a must you click. We can remove this and look for something else and put there. What if we put a bag of dollar? Okay, this is making sense. Let's bring laptop, because it's in laptop. With our laptop, we create this money. So we put this and then we'll bring laptop here. Okay, let's remove this laptop and this should be nice enough. Move it up. Bring it here. We'll reduce this laptop a bit. And because we want to put this dollar on top of this laptop, you click on the dollar, click on layer. You go to bring to the front. Bring to the front. And you see the dollar is already on top of the laptop. And you reduce the dollar sign like this. Let's increase our laptop a little bit. Little bit. Okay. And then here we go. Guys, is it not nice enough? So the only thing you need to do, this is okay for your thumbnail. You go here and you click on share, download, and boom. This is your thumbnail is ready. Okay, guys, that is all for this video. Thank you so much. And try making very good and very neat thumbnail so that people will be able to watch, click on the thumbnail and watch your video, right? Thank you. Till you come my way next time. I'm Eva Family, returning subscribers. Thank you so much. If you're seeing us for the first time, this is Eva Family. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.